Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is Ms. Rada Asif, your mathematics teacher from SM Public Academy Campus 5. What we are going to discuss in chapter number 12, the triangles, we are going to discuss construction of triangles. Okay? As triangle has 6 elements, 3 sides, 3 angles, we can construct a triangle having given when the 3 measurements, 3 sides are given, when 2 sides and included angle is given, and number 3 when one side and any 2 angles are given. So which case we are discussing? Which case we are discussing here? When 2 sides and including angle is given. Okay. Case number 2, when the measurement of 2 sides and the included angle are given. A student, for example, we have to construct a triangle PQR. Okay, PQR is there on in this question. Uh, Fauzan, Abir Khan, Halima, Hamza, Bete, I need your concentration, please. Okay. Bete, check out the question. Construct a triangle PQR when PQ is given 5 centimeter, QR is given 4 centimeter, and angle Q is given 40 degree. Okay, angle Q is of 40 degree. First, what we have to do, Bete, check out the vertices. The vertices are PQR. If the vertices given PQR and you mention the names of triangle ABC, you will get 0. What you will get, Asia, you will get 0. So first of all, in the given, you have to write that in triangle PQR, measurement PQ, measurement QR, and angle Q is given, that is of 40 degree. What is required? Triangle PQR is required. Okay? Be careful about the vertices. Now, before writing the construction, steps of construction, you have to draw the triangle with me. Okay? Before drawing a proper triangle, you can make a rough diagram of the triangle. Okay, now let's start our triangle. So here first let's draw a rough sketch. So PQ is there of 5 centimeter, right? PQ is there of PQ 5 centimeter. यहाँ पे first we have to draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. Then बेटे what is given? Here angle Q is given. So where we have to draw angle of 40 degree. Here you can see that 40 degrees there. That means it's an acute angle. Okay, Sanya, it's an acute angle. So Sanya is raising her hand. What happened, Sanya? No, bete, Vanya and Sanya. Let me tell you one thing, that check out your WhatsApp group of your class. In that group, the syllabus of maths and every subject is given. Am I right? The syllabus is already given to you. ठीक है ना? तो उसमें से just prepare yourself. Okay? Is it clear? Vanya, is it clear, Sanya? ठीक है बेटे. Now बेटे, look at the question. Vanya, angle Q is 40 degree. बेटे, when angle Q, first we have to put the protector on Q, and angle Q is 50 degree. There are two ways to construct angle 50 is on the D. Here 50 degree is mentioned over here, but if we draw 50 degree angle here, if we draw the ray over here like this, it becomes, this angle becomes obtuse angle. Okay, so here we have to check out that we have to take the angle which is less than 90 degree. That means here we can draw an angle of 50 degree over here, because 50 degree means acute angle. So angle Q is of 50 degree. But one more thing, bete, don't forget to write here the ray name. You can mention the name. You can mention the name as A here, you can mention the name as X here. It's your choice. ठीक है बेटे, आमना, it's your choice. आप यहाँ X बोल दें, A बोल दें, B बोल दें, but don't write PQR. Don't mention the name PQR because it's our triangle name. ठीक है ना? So here we have mentioned X. So what we have done, at Q, draw QX, making an angle measurement Measurement. Now Asya, look at this step. Making an angle, measurement x q p is equals to here 40 degree. Okay, this is equals to, sorry, I have written 50 degree, here we have to mention 40 degree, right? 40 degree. Shahroz, bete remember one thing, when angle q is there, so here we can write angle xqp or pqx. Okay, the center here, this center vertex names show you the angle. If here in the center angle q is written, that means this angle represent angle q. Okay, okay, the vertex which is mentioned in the center, this is your main angle. Okay, this angle is your mentioned angle, that is angle q is equals to 40 degree. If you write, students, if you write here, for example, if you write here measurement angle pxq, that means you are talking about angle x, that means it's wrong. Okay, that means it's wrong. So here mention the name properly, that angle pqx or xqp is equals to 40 degree. Is it clear? Now what you have to do, this is 40 degree. Now what you have to do, qs center, here with qs center you have to draw an arc of 4 centimeter, and you have to mention here this name of this the point, the intersecting point where this arc intersect this ray, this intersecting point is your r. Okay, so here write down 4 centimeter, and then join q to, here join p to r, here you can join p to r. Now here you can see that सबसे पहले we have to write in the steps of construction, draw measurement pq is equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, now step number 2, here we have drawn an angle, an angle of 40 degree. So I have taken here the name s, it's my choice, I can take x, I can take a b c, it's my choice. So at q, at q, what we have done here, at q draw qx, qs, that is our ray, so draw ray over here, making angle pqs is equals to 40 degree. Is it clear? Now qs center with radius 4 centimeter, draw an arc, right? So here what we have done, I can say that from qs cut off qr is equals to 4 centimeter. Okay, don't forget to mention here rays and line segments at the top. Now join p to r, and pqr is our required triangle. No bete, subhana. Okay, join p to r, very good. So here what we have done, subhana, what we have done on Monday, question exercise 12.1 question 3 part 5, then this question was given in your homework. Please kindly check out your index again. Okay, just tell your index with me. Sanya, tell your index. Amna, please tell your index with me. Then 12.1 question 3 part 6, done, Afra? Now here, Bete, you have completed this question with me on Monday, but still you are having confusion in steps of construction. So here I am sharing the steps of constructions with you. What we have done, what we have done, सबसे पहले draw measurement AB is equals to 7.3 centimeter. Then please check out these steps with me. Yesterday when I checked your copies, I found some mistakes in your steps of construction, and I hope you have completed it properly. Agar still you are having some confusion, and again you are having some problem, so check out these steps again with me, and you can ask the question in the chat box as well. ठीक है? Done, Subhana? Uh, okay. Now at A, draw AD. Now at A, draw AD. Uh, बेटे आमना, this is question part 5. ये part 4 नहीं है, this is part 5. Okay, No, bete, Amna, this is not the homework question. This question was completed on Monday in the classwork. Okay, I'm sharing you this question again with you. Just check out this questions steps of construction especially. Okay, सबसे पहले we have drawn AB is equals to 7.3 centimeter. Okay, AB is equals to here 7.3 centimeter. Now at A making, यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, at A draw AD, this is a ray, at AD draw AD, at A draw AD, making an angle BAD, BAD, or you can say that DAB is equals to 60 degree, is equals to 60 degree. Here, a student, the main angle, which angle you are talking about? We are talking about the angle A. So angle A, here the vertex A is written in the middle. Are you getting my point, Jay Kumar? A must be in the center. Okay, either BAD or DAB. Okay, DAB or BAD. Okay, now next step is very easy, bete. Here, from AD cut off AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter. From AD cut off AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter. Why the ray is on AD? Because here D, here you can see that here D, this is not a proper measurement given to us. Here we are not having the proper measurements, so it's a ray, it's an indefinite it can extend indefinitely in one direction, so it's a ray. So I have mentioned AD with the ray over here. Okay, AD with the ray. And what about AC? AC, it's a AC having two endpoints, that means it's a line segment, so I have drawn a line segment on AC. Okay, now last point, join B to C. Join B to C. ABC is our required triangle. Now, question number 5, question number 6, which we have completed yesterday. Which we have completed yesterday. Yes, Amna, Monday ko I have given you the homework of question number 4, part 4. ठीक है ना? I have given you part 4 on Monday. अब हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे द क्वेश्चन विच वी हैव कंप्लीटेड येस्टरडे, जो हमने ट्यूसडे को यानी कल किया था. आमना, जस्ट चेक आउट दीज स्टेप्स ऑफ कंस्ट्रक्शन एंड कंस्ट्रक्शन विद मी, देन यू हैव टू शेयर योर वीडियोज विद मी. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ student, first of all, triangle, just look at the triangle. Which triangle is given? Muhammad Umar, Ramla, Saad Khurram. Bete, be careful. Okay, Fauzan, bete, triangle DEF is given. So Abir, measurement DE is equals to 6.8 is given, EF is given, and angle E is equals to 50 degrees given. Okay, now you can write here given and then required. What is required? Triangle DEF is required. Okay, now I am going to unmute one by one from the participants. Now you have to share it with me that what is the first step of construction, what is the second one, and what is the third one. First, Nuseba is raising her hand. Nuseba, unmute yourself and share the first step of construction with me. Nuseba, unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Nuseba. What is the first? Nuseba, bete, what is the first step of construction?
Draw measurement BE is equals to 6.8
Very good, very good.
centimeter.
Next student, Ramla. Ramla, bete, quickly unmute yourself.
At
Ramla,
E draw EX making measurement angle DEX is equals to 50 degree.
बिल्कुल सही. Making DEX is equals to 50 degree. Excellent. Next one is here Abir Khan. Abir Khan? Yes, Abir. Abir, unmute yourself, bete. Yes, Abir. Shabash, bete.
From
Abir,
measurement EF, yes miss, from measurement EX cut off measurement EF is equals to 6 centimeter.
6 centimeter. Abir, can you please tell me that EX is a ray or line segment? EX is a ray or line segment?
Miss, EX line ray.
Very good, bete. Very good. So here, Sania, next turn is yours. Sania.
Assalamualaikum
Walaikum
teacher.
assalam, bete. Here, what we have done,
Miss
Sania?
first मिस
बिल्कुल।
फर्स्ट आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट
यस,
थ्योरम। मिस मुझे पूछना था कि जो
ओके,
आपने सिलेबस में थ्योरम नंबर 1 लिखा है तो सिर्फ 1 आएगा या सेकंड
एग्जैक्टली,
थ्योरम भी आएगा?
एग्जैक्टली सान्या,
ओनली 1?
एग्जैक्टली बेटे, what is written in your syllabus वही आएगा, okay? Only the chapters which are mentioned, only the exercises which are mentioned in the syllabus वही included है, that's it, okay? Any other
मिस
confusion?
मिस मैंने आप नो मिस मैंने आपको फोर्थ पॉइंट बताऊं ना?
जी बेटे बिल्कुल।
Join D to F, DEF is the required triangle.
Excellent, excellent सानिया। सानिया, any more question बेटे?
नो मिस बस यही कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी, कल जब मैं प्रैक्टिस कर रही थी तो मैंने
Okay,
बस यही कंफ्यूजन हो रही थी।
okay, just keep your syllabus in front of you, okay? And then just
ओके
practice
मिस,
the given exercises, okay?
थैंक यू मिस,
And
थैंक यू।
thoroughly look at the revision sums and revision portion also, Sanya, okay? Thank
ओके
you.
मिस,
Now
ओके।
next is here, students, very good bete, I get the very good response from you. Now here question 6 is completed. Any more questions, student? Any more question here? Any more questions? Okay, I'm working hard. Okay, Sheroz is saying that I'm working hard. Very good, Sheroz. Very good. Okay, now here Amna wants me to share the homework question also. So students, here I am going to start the video. Okay, now you all have to show me your works with me. Okay, here students, we have already completed question 4, 5 and 6 together. So here I am going to start the videos of yours now. Start the videos, class. Now, one by one, share your work, share your homework question with me. Students, please raise your hands to share your. Okay, number one, Sanya is there. Wow. Excellent, Sanya. Sanya, can you please show us your homework question? Just, just, bete, everybody, just check out the work presentation. Excellent presentation is there, Sanya, I must say. Sanya, given is there, Amna, just check out this question. Given, required, and then. Talha, um, now here you can see that, Amna, look at these steps. Now, Sanya, draw measurement AB is equals to 7.5, be a center with radius 7.5 centimeter, make an arc. Or you can say that draw an arc. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सही. A center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at C. Sanya, where is at C? When you join two arcs, okay, when you join two arcs, you have to write at C. Now join A to C, very good, and B to C. Okay, in point number 3, Sanya, intersecting the previous arc at C. At C. Comma nahi lagega. Okay? Okay, now next student, Zainab is there. Zainab is there. Zainab's copy is on the screen. Very good, Zainab. BS center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc. AS center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc which intersect the previous arc at point C. Excellent. Everything is correct. Zainab, show me the diagram, show me the construction quickly. Very good. Very good. Very good, Zainab. Now here, Nuseba is there. Excellent, Nuseba. Very good. Nuseba, 1 second. Nuseba, 1 second. Nuseba, just check out your fourth point. Join A to C and B to C. Triangle DEF is a required triangle. We are talking about AVC, Nuseba. Please make correction. ठीक है? Okay, now next is here Iman. Iman, draw AB is equal to 7.5. AS center, draw an arc of 7.5. बिल्कुल सही. BS center, draw another arc of 7.5 centimeter intersecting the previous arc at C. Join A to C and B to C. बिल्कुल सही. Iman, turn the page and show me question number 6. Next page. Okay. Now draw measurement DE is equals to 6.8. At E, draw EX making an angle uh, DEX बिल्कुल सही और 50 degree. Now from EX, बेटे from EX make the ray on EX. Cut off EF is equals to 6 centimeter. Join D to F. बिल्कुल सही, perfect. Just make a ray on EX in point number 3. Now here Aisha Hassan is there. Aisha Hassan is there. Aisha's copy is on the screen. ठीक है? Now, this is our question number 5. Okay, question number 5, which we have done on Monday. AB is given. At A, draw AD making an angle BAD is equals to 6 centimeter. Okay, from AD, cut off bete O double F, cut off AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter. Acha, Aisha, when AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter, then just check out your construction. Construction में देखें बेटे, you have mentioned a 5.8 centimeter here on BC. Okay, हम 5.8 centimeter यहाँ लिखेंगे on AC. Okay, you have mentioned on BC. ठीक है, ये एक mistake है. From AD, cut off AC is equals to 5.8 centimeter. Join B to C. Okay, Aisha? Aisha, any confusion बेटे? Okay, now next turn is of here. Next turn is Ramla. Ramla, Ramla, start your video bete. Talha, start your video bete. Talha, Ramla, start the video bete. Ramla, bete, quickly start the video. Talha, you don't have the camera? Have you completed the question in the way which I am telling you? Here Shehroz is there. Here, okay. Ramla, where is Ramla? Okay, Amna Maqsood is there. Amna, now share the question. Amna, Amna, bete, share your copy. Okay. Now, which question is this, Amna? Question number 6. अच्छा, draw measurement DE. बेटे M नहीं लिखा आपने. Measurement DE is equals to 6.8 centimeter. आमना, फर्स्ट शो मी योर कॉपी. मैं आपको एक साथ सारी करेक्शंस बता दूं ना. DE is equals to 6.8 at E. At E, draw draw EX making आमना, this is there are it's not properly clear to me. बहुत ज़्यादा cutting है बेटे. Can you please cut these steps and write it again? Afra. Okay, next copy is of Afra. Amna, write it down again. Amna, also show me the homework question, bete. Amna, show me your homework question, bete, quickly. Amna, homework question. Okay. AB is equals to 7.5. BS center, bilkul sahi. Okay, Amna, in step number 3, AS center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc intersecting the previous arc at C. बेटे at C जब तक लिखेंगे नहीं हमें पता कैसे चलेगा, ठीक है? तो in point number 3, write down at C. Okay, here Afra. Afra is raising her hand. Afra, start your video quickly. Afra, start your video, bete. Where is Afra? Afra. Afra. Okay, Afra is there. Okay, Afra's copies is on the screen. Afra, uh, Beti, show me your copy properly. Turn your copy. Just look at the screen, Afra. What's going on? Who's this Afra? Okay. Afra, betis, turn your copy to your right. Turn your copy to your right. Right, right, right. Okay, left. Now like this. You have taken too much time. अच्छा, draw measurement. बेटे m क्यों नहीं लगाते? This is measurement ना, तुम m लिखा करें. Measurement AB is equals to 7.5 BS center with radius 7 point, बिल्कुल सही. BS center with radius 7.5. Draw an arc intersecting the first arc at C. ये देखें आमना. बेटे we have to write at C in the third step. बिल्कुल सही. ठीक है ना? Now join A to C and B to C. ABC is our required triangle. But here we can see there is a mistake in the construction. Afra, when AB is of 7.5 BC, when we draw two arcs for C, why you have drawn a ray? Here, why you have drawn a ray over it? Okay, when you get two arcs, when you put the compass on A, you make an arc. When you put the compass on B, you have made an arc. So there is no need to make this ray on B. Okay, आपने B पे जो ray लंबी सी draw की हुई है, there is no need to draw a ray. Okay, here I am showing you Afra copy from Asia. Asia, Asia, Asia. Okay, very good. Asia, show me your construction. Afra, now Afra, please check out the screen. Afra, screen पे देखें बेटे. I okay. Afra, check out the screen. देखिए, here AB is equals to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, then you have to put the compass at A. A center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc. BS center with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc at C. That's it. This intersecting points where the two arcs intersect, जहां पे आके दो arcs meet कर रहे हैं, intersect कर रहे हैं, that point is your C. Now join A to C and B to C. That's it. Don't make a ray over here on B on A. Okay? Okay? Is it clear? Okay, Asia, show me question number 6, part 6. Turn the page and show me question number 6. Okay. Now steps of constructions are there. In step number 2, at E, draw EX, making an angle. Measurement लगा दीजिए बेटे please. M measurement DEX is equals to 50 degree from EX. बेटे EX हमारी रे है. आसिया, थर्ड स्टेप में EX पे रे बनाए. EX कट ऑफ EF is equals to 6 centimeter. बिल्कुल सही. आसिया, बिल्कुल सही. Okay, now next student here. Students, please ये जो corrections हैं आप लोग भी करते रहें quickly. Now here. Okay, Amna. Okay. Abir Khan is there with us. Abir. Yes, Abir. Abir, share your video with us. Okay, Abir construction. सबसे पहले question number 4, draw measurement AB. This is our homework question at A. AS center, but next time please avoid cutting. AS center, draw with radius 7.5 centimeter, draw an arc. BS center with radius 7.5, draw an arc intersecting the first arc. बेटे, how many time I tell you that यहाँ पे in step number 3 लिखें at first arc at C. ठीक है, join A to C and B to C. ठीक है, ABC is our required triangle. ठीक है, अभी show me the construction quickly. बेटे, we don't have that much time. Okay. I don't think so that AB is of 7.5 centimeter. Abhi, can you put your scale on this line segment AB? Put the scale on line segment AB. Can you please show me this measurement, Abir? Quickly, bete. This is, please show me the copy properly. Bete, please show me the copy properly. This is okay. Show me the measurement AB also. Show me the measurement AB. First line, 0 till. Okay, it's correct. It's correct. But here Abir, जहाँ पे these points are intersecting, ये आपने सही से नहीं ड्रॉ किया है. ठीक है, ये जो C आपने ड्रॉ किया है, here I am going to share the video, okay, of mine. 1 second. Here I am going to share video with my video with you. Okay, 1 second. Here now, students. Here I am going to share students. For example, listen to me. Listen to me. If you have drawn here the line segment of, for example, यहाँ 7.5 centimeter है. If 5 centimeter is given to you, so what you have to do, you have to draw a line segment of 5 centimeter here like this. You have to write down AB is equals to 5 centimeter. Abir, Amna, please check out this. What I am telling you, what I'm going to tell you, just check out this work, beta, please properly. Okay. For example, if equilateral triangle having all sides equal to 5 centimeter, यहाँ पे I am taking an example question. So भाना यहाँ देखिएगा बेटे. बेटे, again I have to take the measurement of 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. What you have to do? Just put it here on the vertex B. Okay. Now draw an arc. Now AS center with radius 5 centimeter again, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. अब बेटे यहाँ वानिया, this point, बेटे only this point is C. बस this point is your C. अबीर, only this intersecting points जहाँ पे आके दो arcs meet कर रहे हैं. What I am telling you, just listen to me properly. यहाँ पे where the two arcs meet, this point is your C. This point only. Okay. This point is your C. Now what we have to do, here, we have to here join A to C and here B to C. Okay, that's it. Here mention 5 centimeter. Here you can mention 5 centimeter like this. One more thing here, Aisha, bete, when EF is given of 6 centimeter, so write down EF 6 centimeter over here. Don't write 6 centimeter here on DF. If EF is given, write down 6 centimeter over here. Okay. If DF is given, so write down here 6 centimeter. In the same way, in question number 5, in question number 5, bete, AC is given. Okay, AC is given of 5 centimeter, so you have to write 5.8 centimeter over here. Okay. Okay. And again, this intersecting point where this arc intersect this ray, this is your C only. This is your C only. Is it clear now? Is it clear now? Now I want students to share their work with me quickly. Raise your hands to share your work with me. Okay, here Hamza Kashif is there. Hamza, please share your work with me. Hamza, be quick. Hamza, bete, share your video with me. Bete, please. Anamta, share your video. Areeb, share your video. Fauzan, share your video. Aisha, share your video, bete. Abir, share your video, bete. Mir Arham, have you got the camera? Okay, Ahmad Hassan. Ahmad Hassan, quickly share your video. Bete, quickly. Quickly share your video. Okay, Sumaya is there. Sumaya, can you share your video with us? Okay. Okay. Here DE, this is question number 6, right? Right, Sumaya? Sumaya, this is question number 6. DEF is there. Okay. The question which we have done yesterday, like this question. Okay. Bilkul sahi. Now show me the steps of construction. Measurement DE perfect is equals to 6.8 at E. Draw EX is equals to making DEX is equal to 1 second, is equals to 50 degree. Now from EX cutoff measurement EF is equals to 6 centimeter. Perfect. Somaya, can you turn your page and show me your homework question quickly? Bit quickly. Very good. Somaya, can you also unmute yourself? Yes, Somaya. जी बेटा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. I can't hear you, Sumaya. Just tell me one thing, that everything is properly clear to you or not? In construction, everything is clear? Okay. Now show me your copy. Show me your copy quickly. Okay. So here you have written Bilkul Sahi. Now show me the construction, Sumaya. Bilkul Sahi. Thank you so much. Abir. Abir, unmute yourself, bete. Abir, unmute yourself and tell me that why you are not opening your video. Abir, unmute yourself. Abir. Abir Fatma. Abir Fatma, bete unmute yourself. Why you are not sharing your video? Ahmed Hassan, please share your video as quick as possible. Please, quickly. Okay. So I hope, bete, please arrange properly your camera and mic. Okay, headphones. Okay. So we have completed question 4, 5 and 6. Bete, let me take your attendance first. Then I will check your copy, Vanya. First, let me take your attendance. First, write down in the chat box that everything is clear or not. Do you have any question left? Do you want to ask any question about construction, or you can say that any question about your midterm exams? Is there any question? Everything is properly clear? Who is this Mariam Adnan? Who is this Mariam Adnan? Yes. So everything is clear. Better take care of yourself. I hope everything is clear to you today. And Allah Hafiz. Today I am going to give you only the practice for your midterm. Okay?